What we're seeing in the electricity industry is that there is upward pressure on electricity prices from increasing natural gas costs and increasing carbon tax. And all of this is putting, like I said, that upward pressure on electricity prices. So in the long term, there is a lot of modeling to suggest that we're going to see 70% or more increases in electricity prices over the next 10 years. I would suggest that your business can't afford not to put solar on your roof. We have a very good value proposition today, and I think going forward, we're going to offer increased certainty and a hedge on power price increases. So we're going to kind of hold them at today's level. As time goes on, the carbon offsets from the solar array will be worth more, and buying power from the grid will cost more. So our product will continue to become more competitive and more attractive for business owners. So when we talk about putting solar on a business, then the conversation will often shift to, well, how's it going to be paid for? Is it going to be cash off the balance sheet? Is it going to be with some sort of debt financing? And that's where we can offer a lot of expertise and some advice on how to pay for what could be a $500,000 or $1 million or $2 million rooftop solar asset.